Hi, welcome to Chick Talk with Mrs. Aspen Martin. I am going to be your host for this 28-day science adventure. We are going to be talking through the life cycle of a chicken, and I'm going today to show you all of the tools that I'm going to be using. So the first thing we have right here is we have an incubator. It has three parts. It has a base, it has an egg turner, and it has the top where it's going to keep the heat in. So as we look at our base, you're going to notice that we have a reservoir in the middle. It is going to be filled with water during the incubation time of the 21 days. And the reason why we're going to keep water in here is so that the shell of the egg stays moist, so it's easy for the baby chick to hatch out on its hatching day. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cup and I'm going to fill the reservoir with water right to the top. And then I'm going to take my egg turner and I'm going to place it on the base. The reason why I'm going to put this on is so that the eggs stay in place and they each have their own spot. If they didn't have their own spot, when the turner turned, the eggs would hit each other and they could crack and break, and then we wouldn't have any baby chicks. The next part is the top, and once we put the top on and I plug this in, it will keep the eggs nice and warm, just like they would be in a real nest with a mother hen. Obviously, I don't live on a farm, and I don't have a hen, which is a female chicken, and that hen wouldn't have a nest, so what we have is our incubator. So the incubator is going to be our nest. It's going to be at 99.5 degrees. It's going to keep them nice and warm. The reason why we have the turner is every time that the mother hen gets out to go potty or to get something to eat, its feet climb over the eggs and turns them. And we want to make sure that we replicate that in our science experiment to make sure that the baby chick does not glue itself to the egg as it's growing. The next part that we have is we have the life cycle of a chicken with plastic eggs. So every day I will be hatching one for you so that you can see what's happening inside our eggs inside the incubator. I'm also going to be utilizing a flashlight, and when we get our eggs tomorrow and place them inside of our incubator, I'm going to actually shine this flashlight on the egg, and you'll actually get to see inside that egg for real. So again, our science experiment is going to start tomorrow when we get to put our 7 lucky eggs inside of our incubator. And we will start our life cycle of a chicken. Have a great evening, boys and girls. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.